Hi, I'm from Techie Dialogue, and in today's video, I'll show you how to make a laggy video smooth in CapCut, step by step. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open CapCut and import your video. Simply click the plus icon, select your video, and drag it onto the timeline. Step 2. Next, click on the video clip in the timeline to select it. Step 3. Now, go to the speed option. Adjust the speed of the video by either slowing it down or speeding it up slightly. Sometimes, speeding up a laggy video can help with smoother playback. Step 4. If the video is still choppy, try reducing the video resolution during editing. You can do this by selecting the export settings and lowering the resolution temporarily. This won't affect the final video quality, but can help the video play more smoothly while editing. Step 5. Lastly, enable proxy mode in the project settings. This will make editing easier and improve performance by reducing the load on your system while you're working with the video. And that's it. Your video should now play much more smoothly in CapCut. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.